Right, here it is, the brand new Ring Indoor Camera Plus. Hi, my name's Lydia Rodford. I'm going to be watching someone unpack and set up how it works. Incredibly seamless to set up. So we crack it open. Inside, everything is so nicely packaged. No chaos, no mystery cables. Simple, exactly what you need. You've got the camera itself, the power cable, mounting bracket, privacy shutter, screws, and all important instructions, just in case. The camera comes with screws and grey mounting plate underneath, ready to mount on the wall or on the ceiling. For us, it's so discreet, it works in the corner of the room on a windowsill. So here's everything laid out. Let's get it plugged in. It's a simple USB-C to USB cable and, of course, the plug adapter. So there's no tools needed, no stress. And then once it's powered up, you're already halfway there. The privacy shutter, by the way, is a great addition and very easy to install. Line the arrow up, put the circular part of the camera and clip into the bottom underneath the camera. Start by scanning the QR code, which you can find on the device. Then just follow the steps to connect. It's all guided, so no guesswork. As you go, you can customize your settings from motion alerts, detection zones, privacy. You get to set it up exactly how you want it. This is why I love Ring. So once you're in, the 2K video gives you a really clear picture, and with up to 4 times zoom, you can always keep an eye on things like pets or anything else you might want to keep an eye on in any indoor space you have. Also, one of my favorite features, you've always got the two-way talk, so you can check in from anywhere. Handy for the kids or a quick, do we need any milk moment? And that's it. Set up, connect, and ready to go. A clear view of your space right from your phone.